Good morning, everyone, and Vande Mataram to all my dear subscribers of News on Face channel and people who are not even the subscribers of News on Face channel. I suggest each and every one of you to go and subscribe that first. And today, the thing that I'm gonna talk about is Atmanirbhar Bharat. So everyone know about the meaning of Atmanirbhar Bharat, I guess. If you do not know, it's just Make in India campaign. So the thing that I'm gonna talk about is how many people are using the entire Indian products in their households? At least the 50%? I don't think so because personally I have recently started using the Indian products. The reason is we're still thinking that India is a developing country, but do you know the reason why is it still developing country and not the developed country? So let me explain you the reason. Because in the US, so most of the people would be using their own country's economy, their own country's producing products. But in India, no, we all are into the skincare products, the Korean skincare products, the Japanese food items, and the Chinese products, especially. And you know the consequences of it. If you do not know, let me explain you. Our country's GDP is reducing, and because of which our per capita income is also low compared to few other countries just like US. But what I would suggest you is use Indian products. At least you need not use 100% of the Indian products. Just make a small change, like switching from your toothpaste, switching from your mobile phone. Yeah, that's a huge, I can say, but still you can just make a small change by switching your toothpaste or is the chappals that you're using, and the masalas that you use in your, yeah, the masalas that you use in your food, and also the clothes. I feel rather than wearing any kind of nylon, India have its own khadi, which is very beneficial for our health in summers, and it's actually scientifically proven by every elder. And you also know what used to happen earlier, that India is very enriched with its own spices, but when foreigners came to the India, it was like we were lack of it. And another greatest example that I can say is earlier in our olden days, people used to be very fit and energetic just because they used to eat ghee. But now where's that ghee? There's nowhere in the ghee. So what I would like to say that use Indian products and make our country developed, and yep, be with Bharat. Thank you so much for your patience, and yeah, please try to bring a small change in your habits. That's it. Thank you.